Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Ever wondered why registering as a healthcare professional sometimes feels like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube with oven mitts on? Well, fear not, because today we're going to break down this complex process into simple, bite-sized steps that even a sleep-deprived medical intern could follow. Step 1, and this is a biggie, gather all your documents. Now, we're not talking about your collection of takeout menus. We mean serious stuff like your passport photo, passport copy, good standing certificate, and logbook for surgical specialties. Oh, and don't forget to verify your qualifications and experience. Trust us. Trust me, I'm a doctor. Won't cut it here. Moving on to step 2, brace yourself for the verification process. Imagine it like a game of find the missing sock. You know it's there somewhere, but it's going to take some hunting. Don't worry though, this is just to make sure you're as good as you say you are. And hey, maybe you'll find that missing sock along the way. Step 3 potentially involves passing a computer-based testing assessment. Think of it like playing a video game where the final boss is a multiple-choice question. But remember, unlike in a video game, you can't respawn in real life, so study hard. The final step is paying the service fee. Yes, unfortunately, this is one game that isn't free to play, but look at it this way, which is probably less than you spent on coffee last month. And voila! You're now officially registered with the Dubai Health Authority and ready to join the ranks of the Dubai Medical Registry. Your registration is valid for 1 year and needs to be activated into a license by a healthcare facility for you to start practicing. But hey, that's a topic for another video. So there you have it, a simple guide to registering as a healthcare professional with a side order of humor. Because if we can't make light of the process, we might as well be trying to solve that Rubik's Cube with oven mitts on. Remember, the road to becoming a healthcare professional might be long and winding, but at least now you won't get lost in the paperwork. Now go forth, register, and may the healthcare odds be ever in your favor. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.